Welcome to this tutorial for this cell shader that works without a post-processing volume. I'll try to not go too much into every single node. So this is actually a relatively quick tutorial or showcase or walkthrough. If you don't want to follow, you can just get the whole project or the asset package that you can import to your Unreal projects on Fab. And you can support me while doing that. It has, for whatever reason, 1-star review. I assume it's the person that messaged me on Twitter that said that the asset package is empty. But as you can see, they say they use Unreal 5.5 and it supports only 5.6 to 5.7. So you cannot import the assets into a 5.5 project. You can migrate them from a 5.6 or 5.7 project, but not directly import it. And maybe they thought I scammed them and they gave me 1-star. But let's just get started. So the first thing that we handle is the light. There's two inputs that I made optional. You could either use the atmosphere sun light vector and then you normalize it so you actually have the direction of it, or you just use this sky atmosphere light direction, which I assume is already normalized. So as you can see, nothing changed because it's literally the same. And then we basically just do some normal checks, how they align with that direction of the sun or the light. So we know where to place which shadow value that you can see here. And those can all be adjusted. So the tint can be adjusted in the material instance as well as the threshold. And as you can see, it's really simple. And then that goes into the emission color. So how is this being applied? So if you get it from the Fab asset package, you will have this example with this character. And as you can see here, all the material instances, you don't have to have this many. But if we take a look, for example, to the head, I basically did not change any values in that case because I don't want too many values. I just want 2. I'm also happy with the default values because I made them. So I also don't change them and just change the texture. And this is basically all there is. And you have a nice looking cell shaded character. And that's it. That's a quick walkthrough how this shader works. And thanks for watching.